Alright, so yesterday I was on the local peruse of Facebook Marketplace and Facebook and all that stuff, and I came across a guy selling these headlights, brand spanking new. Picked them up, gonna put them in the old 24 valve, also getting LED blinkers and all that good jazz stuffed in today, and a new grill. Getting this just cleaned up, looking a little nicer, because right now I think it's this headlight. No. Might have an issue. I just threw them in there quick because they were one piece. So picked those other headlights up. I actually did my first real towing with this thing. Towed something halfway decent on the weight. So the plan for today is to try to get those headlights in there. I got a dual steering stabilizer kit over there somewhere that I got to work on putting on this thing because the steering stabilizer is blown out. So stay tuned for that. It's just a few cosmetic things and stuff like that to get it looking nicer. So I'll show you that stuff as I get it done. Alright, so here's what I bought to do LED turn signals. So these are the actual turn signal bulbs. Just got them from O'Reilly's. And then this is a turn signal relay. This is actually the old one. So when you put LEDs in, the turn signals will flash super fast. So what you do is you get one of these that works with incandescents or LEDs, and it provides a consistent turn signal no matter what you do. So how you replace this is really simple. You come in here, you pull this panel off, and this right here, that is your turn signal relay. You pull it out, put the new one in, and you're ready to run LEDs. Newer trucks you can't do that, but these older ones you can. So now the plan is get the headlight bulbs. Oh, let me show you the headlight bulbs. Alright, so these are the headlight bulbs that we're going to be using. I've never run this brand. I'm not advertising for them. Nothing like that. Just gonna put these on, see if I like them, let you know. I bought these, they didn't send them to me. I have that written all over there. Somebody watched too many Transformers, but anyways, we're gonna get these bulbs in there. I already got LEDs, but I'm gonna try these because the LEDs that are in this thing right here, I stole out of my black truck right there. So we're gonna take the headlights out, swap them with the new assemblies right there. They're sitting on the toolbox. We're gonna swap those out, swap the headlight bulbs out, turn signals, all that good jazz, and see how well I like these. If they're, I just got them off Amazon. I think they're like, I don't know, 30 bucks or something. I don't remember. They're pretty cheap, so we're gonna try them, see how I like them. So stay tuned. Step 1. 2. Step 3. If I can get it out. Alright, there's step 3 completed. So, alright, we're going to swap all these bulbs out and get that all ready to go, and then put the headlights back in. Alright, so this is the LED in there. See, nice and bright. So one thing that a lot of people don't know about LEDs, they're actually directional. So on some of them, not all of them, if you plug them in backwards on some LEDs, they won't work. And then you just pull it out, turn it 180 degrees and put it back in, and then they'll work. Some people don't know that. Some LEDs require it, some don't. These particular ones, I already tried it. It doesn't matter. Everything works. So just keep that in mind. If you get some LEDs, plug them in, you're like, hey, they don't work. Try unplugging them, turning them around and plugging them back in. So that's just a little tip for you here. So let's get the headlights in and show you the difference. All right, here's one installed. I'm actually impressed with the fit. It actually fits very cleanly, very tightly. I don't know who makes them, but they seem to fit in there nice. Nice clear lenses. So let's turn the headlights on, see how they look. Alright, so right off the bat, it looks nice and clean. The headlight's pretty bright. I don't think it's quite as bright as these, but I won't really know till I get the headlights replaced. both headlights and drive with it, and we'll see how bright they really are, but so far they seem to be decent, so we'll see. Alright, so there it is with the headlights installed. Like I said, they installed very nice and cleanly, real tight, no real big gaps anywhere. Headlights are bright, blinkers work, all that stuff. So let's get to putting a new grill on this thing. Alright, so here's the new grill. I think it looks sweet. It's actually not a new grill. I just painted the one that was on there, put a bunch of those silver studs in there. So I think the front of this truck looks really nice now. And the camera's spazzing out. But yeah, I think it came out pretty good. So you can see a couple spots where the paint's a little tacky. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you like what I do. You want to support the channel, just like and subscribe. We get this to 1,000, stuff will start coming faster. So thanks for watching. Alright, so I'm in the truck right now. These headlights are nuts. Like, I don't think the camera's gonna do it justice. I've been flashed, I've had people turn their brights on. Like, these things are almost not good to drive with unless you have tinted headlights. I mean, this is my dims right here. These are my dims. My brights, I think they need to be adjusted because these are my brights and they look like they're shining way up at the sky. But the distance on them is insane. Like, you can easily see 200 yards with these. These, you can see about the same, about 200 yards or so. You actually can almost see a little farther with the dims than the brights. So I know they need to be angled down. So I got some playing to do with that. But I have to see, I gotta play with the adjustment on these. If I can't get these adjusted right, I don't know if I would run them in a clear lens vehicle. They're too bright. Like, your oncoming traffic cannot see anything. So that's just a little update for you. I mean, I guess if you like blinding your people coming at you, you know, then all power to you. But I'll see what I can do. If I can get them adjusted right, they'll be awesome. So thanks for watching again, and like and subscribe.